welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here, then my name is Deanna. This video I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Nadula hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So I really love this wig that I'm installing today. This is a 24-inch Yaki straight 150 density pre-everything wig. So I know that's a mouthful. I love Yaki straight textured wigs because this to me is the most natural texture of hair, comparable to like 4C, 4B, 3B, like textured hair pretty much. Like this hair looks like how my hair would look if I like flat ironed it. So love this. It looks very natural. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig, so they pretty much, not pretty much, they do everything for you except for install it. That you got to do yourself, but they pre-cut the lace, so you see the lace is already cut. They pre-bleach the knots for you, so the knots come like this. And also it is transparent lace, so it pretty much blends in completely with your skin. So I absolutely love that. And something else I love about this wig is that it has the little ear tapes on there. I have been wearing a lot of ear tape wigs lately, particularly because I love how they hold down your glueless wig. So like if you don't want to, like if you have a weird hairline like mine and you don't want to like, or you can't or don't like to use like a whole bunch of glue on your perimeter, these are perfect because it's still glueless in the front, and then you just have the ear tapes on the sides to help like keep the wig down. If you've never seen one before, I'm gonna show you when I install it so you'll get what I'm talking about. So anyways, if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Per usual, I already have my wig cap installed. I'm using my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. And then I'm just gonna take the remaining residue that's still on my brush, and I'm just gonna brush it along the edge of the wig here, like the perimeter. Ooh. Okay. I'm just gonna pull this back. All right, because my concern are the ear tabs. I just wanna make sure that I'll be able to pull the ear tabs down in a good area, because as you can see, like I have like a bunch of hair right here, so I just want to make sure when I put it down, I can probably do it like this. It's probably going to be on my hair a little bit, to be honest with you, but I'm okay with that because I have a product that takes off everything really well. To take off my wigs, I use Laid Off by Erica J, which is just an oil-based solution which stops my hair from breaking when like taking off wigs. If you have a hairline like me where when you put the wig on you're afraid that this is going to hit your hairline and you don't have anything to take it off with, then you may either want to just buy something to like slide it off with, just to make sure you don't pull out your hair or anything when you're taking this down. And when I pull it down, the hairline should look like this. If you have a normal hairline, you wouldn't have like this right here, but mine comes down pretty far. And this is my hairline after it's been thinning from wearing all these wigs. But that's not... All right, so before I lay down the tape, I am going to take some rubbing alcohol. I just have rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle and a little cotton round. Spray the cotton round, and I'm just gonna wipe off my sides right here because I'm wearing makeup. And now, the only thing that you have to do is peel back the tape. So as you see right here, the little blue part comes off, and you just peel it back. And then you just place the lace where you want it to sit. And even though it's sitting on my hair, it's fine. I'm just gonna make sure it's not like tugging or anything. Also, like when I lay it down, I always press it. I don't just like, lay it down and leave it. Like make sure to give it like a good press for a couple seconds, just to make sure it really sticks. Now I'm just going to adjust the wig and pull it tight on the other side before laying it down, just to make sure there aren't any like lumps anywhere in the hairline. make sure everything is tight before I stick it down, and then I'm just gonna hold, and it feels completely fine, like it's not tugging at my hair or anything. So now I'm going to do my baby hairs so that they can be sitting. I also decided I'm going to be doing a side part. So before I do my baby hairs, I'm actually gonna like part out my side. So I'm now taking my Got to Be Free spray and my Edge Booster wax stick, and I'm just gonna flatten the top of my hair because, like I said, it was pretty poofy. So I decided I want to put some body waves in the wig for the side part. But before I do that, I'm gonna cut the wig at the ends. I don't know if you can see it, but the ends are a little bit uneven. So I just want to create more of like a blunt cut. So when I curl it, it'll look nice. I think I'm gonna cut like that much of the hair off. That's like an inch. Okay, so this is what the ends are looking like. And now I'm just gonna separate my hair into sections, and I'm going to curl it using my flat iron. Sits. I know, I look crazy. I'm gonna take the rest of these little combs off, y'all. Now I'm just gonna cut some layers in the front. All right, y'all. I had a time. Couple of things I learned. So I had to step away for a moment, fix my hair off camera, and now I'm back, right? Couple things I learned. Gel in this hair, Remember how I said earlier in the video, this hair mimics my natural hair texture a lot? I should have known that this wasn't gonna work for this hair because gel does not work for my own natural hair. I was trying to shape my edges, but it was not sticking and it wasn't staying. I was sweating it out easily and the hair kept poofing up and then the sides kept lifting and it was pissing me off and I was like getting frazzled. I didn't know what to do. So I was like, let me just try the edge booster, but this wax did what I needed it to do. And then I just reshaped, I took this side behind my ear and then I just reshaped the front. And now let's look at how I want it to look. Like now I'm like, okay, this is what I was going for in the beginning, in the first place, before everything happened. So this is the finished look. And I really, really like the look. But everything else, I really like the texture of the hair and the density. It's full and it looks really, really natural. So love that for me. This is what it looks like on the side. This side. Okay, so yeah. So anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.